Meet Stan. Stan needed to get a life. Stan was looking for more. Stan, would you like us to help you get a life? Get a Life is a one-day live workshop where you will work on all 4 areas of life. What are those 4 areas, you ask Stan? L for love and relationships. I for self-improvement. F for fitness. And E for economic success. During the program, you will discover your mission, create your future self, understand emotional triggers, and create your powerful calendar. You'll also learn all about the Win-1. And we know you're excited about getting a better life. And at Ember Seminars, we want to make it even better because with each ticket you purchase to the event, you'll get a guest pass to bring a friend. Space is limited at all events, so get your ticket today.